This is a new clip from Jobozo, you know, make everybody laugh, talk with an accent, so you guys already know who I'm talking about. So, Jobozo, man, come show them how we do.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I'm in the studio of MC Torres Production. Hey everybody, you already know me. If you don't know, ou pas connaît. My name is Jobozo. I'm gonna tell you exactly how some Haitian father talk when they go to a travail. Listen, this guy was working in this restaurant. Listen how you do and how you say to the boss. Hey boss, my wife, she have grown and I remember I do sa semaine passée and she called me, she wanna go to the hospital. So I'm not gonna if I can leave right now because I see you guys busy. So please boss, please can I go? Can I go to take the madam to the hospital? You know, she's sick. She knows she don't speak English. I will really thank you. So, boss, I say, what? Oh, after one show having boss, you act like you don't comprehend me, whatever I say. You African people think you all that. I'm speaking English to you, always say what? What the hell? I tell you my wife get government, I need to go see the baby or take the baby need to come. Hey, boss, I say what? Jobozo, I don't understand you. If you don't understand, that's your business. Because I don't know what kind of language I gotta talk. You don't talk, you just speak Creole. And I say, man, listen, the guy just wanna go to the lakai to help the madam. Quitte la. You know? Say, oh, thank you, Jobozo, thank you, because Michelle, you don't know what you just do for me. I mean, okay, no problem. So, boss, I don't know. Take the guy can go to the lakai because the madam is very enceinte and the madam need to go to the hospital for call if a baby. You know? So, Jobozo, you don't speak English yourself. Say, what? Hey, I'm Jobozo, oui. I speak English since I was even a little baby. Yeah. Sometimes when I used to be a baby, they used to call me English. And talking, oh, parler English. Oh, I just talk to you. I tell you, the guy get the madam the lakai who wants sick, who wanna go to the hospital, you don't understand me. Go first shut up, the boss. And I say, you know something, guy, go to your lakai. Go take your wife to the hospital. Hey, that's what I got for you today. I hope you like it. But if you don't, hey, there was no problem with that because that's you. But still got million people who like it. Still got 100 people who gonna like it. Still got 1,000 people who gonna like it. So if you don't like it, I know you're gonna do. So please, I really appreciate that. Jobozo and you. The new clip coming out soon. Jobozo Negandeo. Crème soufflée. You gonna put man.